Namaste, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. My name is Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you emulsification. Now let's start with the topic. First of all, what is emulsion? An emulsion is a two-phase system consisting of two incompletely miscible liquids, one of which is dispersed as finite globules in the other. The particle size of the globules range from 0.25 to 25 micrometer. An emulsifying agent and a mechanical energy are needed to join the phases. The types of emulsion are based on dispersed phase, that is oil in water, oil droplets dispersed in water, and water in oil is water droplet dispersed in oil. Then multiple emulsions, that is water, oil, and water emulsions. What is the difference in between the oil water and water in oil emulsion? Water in oil in water emulsion, water is the dispersion medium and the oil is the dispersed phase. Whereas in water in oil emulsion, oil is the dispersion medium and water is the dispersed phase. Then oil in water emulsion, water soluble drugs are more quickly released from oil in water emulsion, whereas oil soluble drugs are more quickly released from water in oil emulsions. They are preferred for formulation meant for internal use, as bitter taste of oils can be masked. And water in oil are preferred for formulation meant for external use like creams. And they are oil in water emulsions are non-greasy, easily removable from the skin surface. And whereas the water in oil emulsion are used externally to prevent evaporation of moisture from the surface of skin, for example, cold cream. Then oil in water emulsion is basically used externally to provide cooling effect, for example, vanishing cream. Next is then oil in water emulsion give a positive conductivity test, as water is the external phase which is good conductor of electricity, whereas water in oil emulsions do not give a positive conductivity test, as oil is the external phase which is a poor conductor of electricity. Next is theory of emulsification. There are four theories. One is film theory or adsorption theory, and second is viscosity theory, wedge theory, and interfacial tension theory. In film theory or adsorption theory, as per this theory, the added emulsifying agents forms a mechanical film by getting adsorption at the interface of the liquid and offers stability to the emulsion. However, this theory could not explain the formation of types of emulsion. Then viscosity theory is, as per this theory, an increase in viscosity of an emulsion will lead to an increase in stability. This theory failed to explain about the milk, which shows considerable stability even though its viscosity is less. In wedge theory, according to the wedge theory, monovalent soap like sodium citrate give oil in water type emulsion, and divalent soap like calcium stearate give water in oil type emulsion, which was explained by successful accommodation of the soap molecules to give the type of emulsion. Then interfacial tension theory. In accordance with this theory, the added emulsifying agent reduces the interfacial tension between the oil and water phases, and thus a stable emulsion is formed. This theory could not explain the formation of type of emulsion. Then examples of next is advantages of emulsions. Uh, Emulsion basically masks the unpleasant taste. Oil in water is convenient means of oral administration of water insoluble liquid, and oil soluble drugs can be given parentally in form of oil in water emulsions. For example, Taxol. Emulsions can be used for external application in cosmetic and therapeutic application because of better and faster absorption. and it's sustained release medication, then nutritional supplement, inert and chemically non-reactive, and reasonably odorless and cost effective. And emulsions, radio fog agents for diagnostic purposes, intravenous nutrition, basically maintenance of debilitated patients, intralipid and neutralipid. Next is disadvantages of emulsions. Emulsions are thermodynamically unstable and have shorter shelf life. Improper formulation of emulsions leads to creaming and cracking of emulsion. Improper selection of emulsifying agent leads to phase inversion, and sometimes it may be lead to the cracking. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in a comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much for watching this video.